Hey guys, this is the fluency instruction video. This is what I want you guys to do. I want you to be able to go to your Canvas, log into your reading resource, and I want you to choose your weekly assignments. So under your weekly assignments, you will have a fluency check. On the Fluency Check, if you click on your Fluency Check, you will see this will pop up. When it pops up, I want you to screenshot it. Once you screenshot it, I want you to record your 1-minute video. This is a video I created to show you how to do it. Let's see if I can get it to play, guys. Hey guys, so this is how I want you to do your fluency. I want you to go to Canvas. I want you to open your Fluency Reading and screenshot it. Then I want you to take your iPad and I want you to swipe down and press this button that's blinking red that you see right now. It will be white on your screen. When you press it, it'll give you a countdown. 1, 2, 3, and it'll start recording. It will be red and it will be blinking just like you see now. Then I want you to swipe up and have your Fluency Reading open, the picture that you had screenshotted from Canvas. I want you to pay attention to the time, and what I want you to do is record yourself reading for 1 minute. Okay? After you finish recording for 1 minute, you can touch your screen and you will see the red dot in the top. You will touch it. When you touch it, it's going to ask you a question. It's going to say stop recording. It's going to have cancel or it's going to say stop. Please press stop. Once you press stop, guys, you will see it go to your photos. It's going to go to your photos and you can go to your assignment that's located in Canvas under your Fluency Reading. It says Fluency Assignment. Tap on that and you can upload that in there and submit it. Guys, please do this. This is very important. I will see you soon. Thanks.